What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody out there is having a blessed day. So before I get into the video, I just want to go ahead and address this. Even though I've already said something about it on my Instagram, I still feel kind of weird making a video without addressing this. So as you guys know, Kobe Bryant passed away this past Sunday, along with his daughter Gianna and 7 other passengers that was on the helicopter. I'm not gonna act like I was the biggest Kobe Bryant fan, but I always recognized and admired his game, even though I couldn't really express that. I couldn't really express it because I'm a LeBron fan, and there's this stupid comparison about who's the greatest, you know, and so I couldn't really vocally, at least my pride wouldn't let me vocally state how good of a player Kobe was, and I kind of regret it, you know. I guess death and tragedy makes you kind of regret things, but yeah, there was always a comparison about who's the greatest, and I feel like it's kind of dumb because Kobe, LeBron, and MJ have all impacted the game in their own individually. They all impacted the game in their own ways, right? And I feel like they all should be acknowledged and respected for what they've done. So me personally, I'll no longer engage in any type of debate about who's the greatest, because I feel like they all deserve the title. And Kobe was definitely, you know, one of a kind. And he to me, I don't think I've ever seen anybody as competitive as Kobe. You know, he always had that killer instinct, and like he would take over the game at the drop of a hat. He was very strong-minded, you know, Mamba mentality, and he always, you could tell he was always trying to be better than his last game or better than the day before. And that's something that I really admired about him. And it really wasn't until maybe his last season during the farewell tour, and that's when I really started like appreciating him and what he did for the game. And yeah, it's just sad to see, you know, how quick somebody's life can change, and how much he affected everybody. Like, I didn't really think that this would affect me how it has, and it's, I don't know, shocking. Like, it still feels weird. It doesn't seem real. You know, Kobe would have wanted us to move forward and press even harder, and you know, that's all we can do. So I just wanted to say that real quick. I'm not trying to, you know, make this a long video, and I definitely don't want to seem like I'm riding a wave or jumping on to anything, but I feel like, you know, as a Laker fan now, you know, I'm a Laker fan because of LeBron, but as a Laker fan now, I feel like I need to say something out of respect. And rest in peace, Kobe. Rest in peace, Gianna, and rest in peace to the passengers that was on the helicopter ride. All right, let's get into the video. All right, so today we have an unboxing from Nike. I was able to hit a pair of sneakers off the Sneakers app on the release. So shout out to Sneakers app, finally showing your boy some love. A lot of the stuff that I copped last year, I actually had to put in a lot of footwork for. And even though I haven't really been posting anything that I pick up or anything that's going on in my personal life, will be on Instagram. So even if I'm not uploading actively, you can always see what I'm picking up over there. So if you want to, you can follow me on IG at Dre_N_Vegas. But anyways, let's go ahead and check out and see what we grabbed. So as you see, they're still putting the just do it tape on these Nike boxes. So we have a red Nike box, and the label reads Nike Air Max 1 SE and the colorway is light smoke gray and university gold. And as you can see, size 9.5, so it is for the personal, and retail is $130. Thank God I got these for retail, even though I was gonna pay resale for these if I did strike out. But once again, shout out to the sneakers app. Hopefully they keep the same energy throughout the year, because it's a few other releases that I need. But
oh my God,
yo, sheesh, yeah. Yo, these are fire. Oh my God, these look way better than the pictures. Wow, 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 wow. So it is a lot going on with this shoe, but I love it. Look at this. These are fire. Sheesh, got the patent leather materials on there. Getting into the details of the shoe right away. On the tongue right here, it has a Chinese symbol, and that symbol actually means Nike. It really does. I researched it. I'm not just saying stuff. And let's see the insole. I don't know if there's really anything on the insole. It looks like it's just a Nike swoosh. You can't really see it, but it's a Nike swoosh formed out of like pink dots, and then you have a light blue, baby blue, powder blue inner lining. The hang tag, this is different. You got the old school Nike logo on a plastic hang tag. It has a few little hints of patent leather. Got some right here on the swoosh. Looks kind of like a yellow tinted or iridescent. No, this is like yellow. This is more so yellow, like a yellow patent leather right here. And then also on the back around the heel, you have a little bit of patent leather. And then as you can see this winged horse, this is actually a Cholima. I think it's pronounced Cholima, but it is a mystical creature originated from the East Asian culture, and basically the horse represents harmony and strength. And yeah, that's a nice little hint on there. So like you see, this shoe is just very, very vibrant. It has a lot of colors that just pop out, a lot of pink and a lot of yellow. Like, look at the trim. Does it come? It does not come with white laces. I feel like, to me, no, it does not. It does not come with white laces. But to me, I would definitely put some white laces in here, kind of to balance out the colorway. But toe box right here, you have like a mesh toe box, and then you have a suede. All the black you see is kind of that of a suede material up on the panel as well, right here on the side panel. Right here, all this is a like suede nubuckish material. The only part that's patent leather is the heel right here, and then this trim right here, the pink trim on the toe box, and then right here where the swoosh is at, that's all patent leather. And you got the two-tone trimmed laces, got pink and black laces, which is pretty dope. But like I said, I'm gonna be putting some white laces in here. And you got a pink air unit right there, white midsole, and on the bottom you got a nice colorful outsole. Got a little bit of yellow, blue. This is like a infrared, and then right here is like a pink, like a cotton candy pink. But dope shoes nonetheless. And this is my first personal pickup of 2020. These aren't really going for that much on StockX, so if you really want them, then go ahead and check it out and cop you a pair. And I did pick up quite a fair pair of shoes last year, even though I didn't really make that many videos last year. I kind of had something that came up, but you know, sometimes you got to take a couple steps back to take a couple steps forward. But I will be doing a on foot video separate of this, so be sure to look out for that. And February is kind of stacked. Like, this whole month of January has been kind of slow. but it's a lot of heat coming out in February. It's probably maybe 2 pair of shoes that I see myself getting, but besides that, I'm gonna try to be chill. I might flip a few things, but for the most part, it's gonna be a pretty busy month. And I think the next shoes that I'm looking to cop is the Strange Love SBs. To me, those are fire, kind of along the same vibes as these with the colors. That about does it for the video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes. But with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.